Hello and welcome back to the channel. I am Novatazz. You are watching Novatazz Customs, and we are in the middle of a junkyard. Now you may be asking, why am I filming in the middle of a junkyard? Well, the answer is simple. If you remember, I had that rotted out section in the front of the TA when I pulled the motor mounts. Well, upon further inspection, it's a lot worse than I thought, and I need a whole front rad support. So that's what I am doing today. Today I am in the process of hunting down parts for the TA's front corner. So mainly looking for a rad support. So I thought I'd bring you with. Okay, I know. You're going to be like, why the hell is the whole front end of the car off? Well, I went to take the fenders off, so that way I can easily measure and adjust these, the body mounts back here to align the frame with the body. Which is all well and good. Actually, it's the first time I've ever had the whole front end off of this car, and I'm kind of glad that I took it off. A lot of jerry-rigged stuff on the front of this, not put together correctly, but for the most part everything is good until we get to here. Now, I knew this was rotted, but I didn't realize that it was rotted this bad, and half of it was held together with these I don't know, just crap ass freaking pieces of sheet metal bolted here. This, I could probably, break off pretty easily.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Alright guys, I didn't film much because limited time. But I did find this formula. I think it's a 77 or 78. And this is the rad support I pulled. Now, I know this side is rotted, but I don't need that side. I need this side. It's the best one I could find. I mean, there's a Camaro sitting there, but I can't use a Camaro. Here's another Camaro sitting here. Can't use this one either, and there's nothing left at the front of this one. But, they're always missing this. But, yeah, like I said, I can't use this one. I can't use that one over there. There's another Firebird over there somewhere. But, yeah, can't use any of those. So, this was the best rad support I could find, so I'm going to have to make this one work. So we're going to have to cut and splice this one to the one that I already have. So, I guess maybe I'll just walk around the yard here a little bit and give you guys some view of what's going on. Hey, I see a 4th gen over there. 4-door. But, yeah. Panel wagon. Okay, so this is the next day. I realized I didn't get the footage I needed at the junkyard, and so I wanted to kind of recap what was going on. So we went to the scrapyard because of the fact that the other rad support was rotted. Well, as you can see, this one isn't much better, but the side that was rotted on mine is good on this one. So we are going to marry the two together. Let me get this camera turned around and I'll show you what's going on. Alright, so here's the rad support that I picked up out of the scrapyard. Yeah, it's in pretty rough shape, but it should do for what I needed to do. I basically just need this section over here. The rest of the rad support on mine is good, all the way over here. So I won't be needing any of this stuff. I just need this section right here because this is what is rotted on mine. So in the next video, we are going to take this over to the shop and get the other rad support off of the car and see where about we wants to cut and splice the two together. So, with that being said, I also would like to take notice of the fact that we should be approaching 1,500 subs, or have already by the time this video goes up. And I will be most likely be doing a $1,500, wow. I will most likely be doing my 1,500 subscriber giveaway in the next video, so please be sure to subscribe, like this video, and make sure you hit the bell notification so you know when I post the next video. And I'll see you next time.
Okay, newest addition to the Novatazz Customs garage. 79 Trans Am. Excuse the freaking ice. 403 Olds. Interior work. All right, more to come when we try to start it. And this is the first fire up and move. First time moving in about 5 years.